Welcome back to Recreational Garage. Since the last video, I finished painting the inside of the car, all the floor pans and everything with some chassis black. So it is time to move on to the fuel system here. We have ourselves a brand new fuel tank from Aeromotive with an EFI fuel pump already inside of it. So that's going to be where we start. And then we have our fuel rails from the Holley intake, and we've got some cool stuff from Fluidworks here. We've got our fuel filter and our fuel pressure regulator that is going to mount right onto the back of one of the fuel rails. Back or front, we're not sure yet. We got some fuel hose and a bunch of fittings. So we'll start off by getting the tank in and then go from there. We got to figure out where we want to route the fuel lines and everything. Anyway, let's get to it and see what we can get done. All right, super short video this week. Really all we did was get the fuel tank bolted in here and then took a bunch of time and really kind of game planned out what I want to do with the fuel line routing and everything like that. So short video, but still making some progress and just trying to figure out what we need to do to make the fuel system real nice. So anyway, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.